Di sini ada sebuah lonceng ya, besar sekali ya. Ini ada ukiran naga dan tulisan Cina. Nah, yang membuat saya heran di sini adalah bentuk dari kayu itu sendiri. Coba lihat bentuk kayunya. Sedikit unik ya.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not.
Nah, sahabat traveling semuanya, ini ada seluncuran ya, warna rainbow, seluncuran pelangi yang jauh sekali. Ini rasanya seru sekali ya, tapi pasti susah waktu balik, karena harus balik jalan kaki. Namun kita akan coba.
Not even that pay. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Lihat abang, kau besar balon. Hoi! Ih, kau besar. Hoi! Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?
Nah, sahabat traveling semuanya, di sini ada sebuah lonceng ya, besar sekali ya. Ini ada ukiran naga dan tulisan Cina. Nah, yang membuat saya heran di sini adalah bentuk dari kayu itu sendiri. Coba lihat bentuk kayunya. Sedikit unik ya.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential.
Feeling semuanya, ternyata sampan-sampan yang ada di pinggir kafe ini, yang ada di belakang saya ini, sepanjang kafe sampahnya banyak sekali. Nah, di sini mereka jualan. Nah, ini adalah dapur tempat mereka jualan berbagai macam masakan dan disajikan di dalam kafe.
Deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off.
Nah, sahabat semuanya, seakan tidak habis ya permainannya. Setelah kami di ujung, ternyata di sini masih ada wahana permainan bebek dayung, dan di dalamnya ada pemandangan bebek angsa. Luar biasa sekali.
Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna.
Di ujung ini ada lagi permainan lempar bambu ya. Saya akan coba mainkan.
do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who were you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed.
Semuanya, ternyata saya juaranya. Ya, saya lempar bambu. Dia peraturannya kalau lemparnya habis semua jatuh, kita boleh milih hadiah boneka apa saja. Kemudian ada tersisa 1 itu ranking 2, tersisa 2 itu ranking 3, dan saya berhasil merobohkan semua bambu. Dan ini hadiahnya, mana hadiahnya, Dek? Nih, coba kasih nampak. Wah, adik milih yang warna kuning. Dadah, Dek.
Dadah.
Makasih Abi bilang.
Makasih Abi.
Luar biasa sekali.
Whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too